Hello, so this is the Mobius Maxi in its 4K mode. Now, I'm just going to turn the car on. Now I should point out very briefly before I start driving, I can't at the moment actually edit 4K video. I'm going to move it now, because I haven't got any software, any video editing software that can edit 4K. So this video might in a moment just cut off abruptly, I don't know, because the only way I can do this is to record it on the camera and then just upload the raw file straight to YouTube. There was a video editor on YouTube, but I think they've taken it away now. Anyway, so this is what the 4K looks like, and I have mentioned before in my other video I made earlier today that this is not the true 4K camera. I have got some true 4K cameras, I've had them for 3 years now, and I've just never used them because I've never really felt the need to film in 4K. Yeah, so the picture might look good, might look bad, I don't know, I haven't tried it yet. It is recording at 24 frames a second, that's the most you can have it on for 4K. You can record it up to 120 frames a second in lower resolutions, like 720p, but for 4K this is the maximum frame rate. So I probably won't ever use this mode very often, but who knows, it might be good, it might be bad, I can't really tell. So I'm just going to go for a drive to a garage to fill up with fuel. It's one of my pet hates, such as that, is when people call it a petrol station. Now, I know if you want to be fussy, diesel is actually petroleum. It's a kind of petroleum, but it always annoys me when people say go to the petrol station. What about people that drive diesel cars? Like half the country now drives diesel cars. So I always say fuel station, not petrol station. Just a quick fact for you there. So yeah, I'm just going to go to the right and go around this. So yeah, not really much to talk about in this video. I'm just driving to the garage. Thought I'd tell you a bit about the camera. But yeah, not much more to say. So I want to keep quiet. This may cut off now. The video might run for another minute or two without me talking. But yeah, I'm just going to let it run and let me know what you think of the Mobius Maxi in 4K.